thought of giving you a run-through on how are we getting ahead of our preparations for school. So come on, tara! Woman kai strip pa! Guess what? Today we will be showing you a quick preview of the books I have read and still be reading as well as my study space. Over here you can see my book set collections. First, I was gifted around 2 or 3 years ago this Disney Frozen set. Next, this is from Roald Dahl. I haven't read these books yet and will probably just do a book review on it in the future. Now, this is from Dr. Seuss. I love Dr. Seuss because he makes reading fun. In particular, I adore Green Eggs and Ham because it's about trying new things, exploring the unconventional, and realizing we can't know what we really like until we have tried it. And speaking of trying, let's now grab that bag over there to see what's inside and finally learn new words. This is my study space. I am Korean and this is Constance. And for purposes of enhancing our vocabulary, let's now open my school bag and see what's inside. First, we have books. Books in Chinese is te. In Filipino, it's aklat. Book, te, aklat. Next, we have notebooks. In Chinese, it is pawa. In Filipino, it is cuaderno. Notebook, pawa, cuaderno. Next, we have my twa. In English, it is paper. In Filipino, it is papel. Paper, twa, papel. I also have my lapit. In Chinese, it is lapit. In English, it is crayon. In Filipino, it is crayola. Lapit, crayon, crayola. Another important thing in my backpack is my pencil case. Or, yampit a. It is where I keep all my pencils. Or, yampit. In Filipino, it is lapis. I have quite a number of pencils, so I don't really need to use the new ones because I have this tiny pencil that still works, so yeah, I'm still using it. That's my way of saving the trees. This part of the pencil is yampit sheet or eraser. Yampit sheet, eraser, pambura. To ensure my pencil works well, I need a sharpener. I also have the big one. Sharpener in Chinese is yampit kao and in Filipino it is pantasa. Yampit kao, sharpener, pantasa. Good! I also have a pair of scissors and glue in my backpack. Scissors, katian, gunting. Glue, ko, pandikit. Finally, I have my ruler. Panmukat, cho, ruler. Oh wait, there's more. Let me go get it. I'm back with my lunchbox and water bottle. Water bottle in Chinese is Fookien and lunchbox in Chinese is Tiam Sim A. So that's it. We hope you had a great time learning with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button and share it with all your friends. Titan! But before that, let's see what Consent is doing over there. Titan, 大家 Let's shoot. Yeah. Yes.